Hello, my name is Nigustia Putulevidiana. I'm from Diplomatry Hospitality Management. I would like to tell you about my business plan. My business plan is Levi Shop. For the first is business background. A convenience store is one of the indirect distribution channels that should provide the best possible service to consumers. This is because a department store is very dependent on good customer service so that consumers are satisfied. Their satisfied consumers will always shop at the department store. Good and satisfying. Customer service must be the main mission for the department store. Service quality is centered on efforts to fulfill customers' needs and delivery accuracy to match customer expectation. According to Wyckoff, service quality is the level of excellence expected and control over that level of excellence to meet customers' desires. In other words, there are two main factors that affect service quality, namely the service expected and the service that is felt. If the service received or felt is as expected, then the service quality is preserved as ideal quality. In fact, if preserved badly, thus whether or not quality depends on the ability to meet customers' expectation consistently. Due to the needs and expectation of consumers continuously developing all the time, delivering consistently high quality requires monitoring and responsiveness to market needs change. In other words, the company must be more required to be market-oriented. In the opinion of Nerver and Slater Shapiro, market orientation is coordinated application of resources between functions for customers' value creation superior ones. Market orientation has a strong influence on service companies that have a character in the form of an exchange processes dynamic where a company employee is related to each other with customer directly. A meeting that is less pleasing to consumers will cause strong protest from consumers. Thus good service and satisfying was the main mission for the convenience store founders. Customer-oriented managers learn to find information from customers about their perceptions and actions that are rely on competitive and regulatory information to guarantee superior performance. Planning procedures and such control will narrow the perceptual gap between management and the company's core customers while preventing the widening of the gap. The net effect is a reduction in the defection rate or percentage of customers who switch to other service providers all at once, increase the capturing rate or get new customers. And for visi and misi for the first is visi, to apply entrepreneur knowledge, develop skills, and open business opportunities for surrounding community. And for misi, for the first is applying hygiene production processes from the place, tools, and materials used. Second, implementing service with a polite and friendly attitude, fast and good service. Third, maintain the taste of food and product quality at an affordable price for all people. Business purpose. First, to make a profit. Second, to apply an entrepreneurial spirit and train independence. Third, to develop creativity in the shop sector. Fourth, add insight or knowledge in the business world. General company description. Company name Levi Shop. Date of establishment 20 September 2020. Company address Bujuk Agung Street number 1 Lampung. Company type store. Number of employees 5 people. product, snack, groceries, and household appliance trade. Email levyshop05@gmail.com. Type of business planned. The type of business that I plan is a type of business such as a shop that sells some of the needs of the surrounding community, such as snacks, groceries, and household appliances. Where around my house there is very little one shop that sells some of the daily needs of the surrounding community like this. And I hope that my shop can help make it easier for the local community to meet their needs and create employment opportunities for a wider community in the future. Company strength and weakness. For the strength, first, active marketing. Second, always maintain product quality. Third, can communicate with customers well. Fourth, helping the economy of the surrounding community. And for the weakness, first, materials and equipment are still incomplete. Second, business location is still not well known. Business environment. This shop business has a very promising opportunity due to the needs of today's customers who want a type of shop that sells daily necessities ranging from snacks, groceries, and household appliances at affordable prices. Market conditions. In my neighborhood, there are still very few shops that sell some of the needs of the community in one place like this. Therefore, with a few competitors, I open this business to meet the needs and open business opportunities for the surrounding community to improve the community's economy. Marketing place. Our target market is local people who want to get everything they need easily, from the upper middle class and the lower middle class. Thank you. Business environment. This shop business has a very promising opportunity due to the needs of today's customers who want a type of shop that sells daily necessities ranging from snacks, groceries, and household appliances at affordable prices. Market condition. That's all about my presentation, and thank you for attention. See you.